In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a logo on a GoDaddy website. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the account that manages the website you want to edit. Once you're logged in, look for your profile area, usually found near the top of the page, and click on it to open your account options. From there, click on My Products. This section shows the products and services connected to your account, including your websites. Take a moment to find the specific website you want to update. If you have more than one site, double-check that you're choosing the correct one before moving forward. When you've found the right website, select it and click Edit Website. This will open the website editor where you can make changes to the design and content of your site. Give it a few seconds to load fully so all the editing tools appear correctly. Now, inside the editor, click on the page area where your current branding appears or where you want the logo to be shown. On the right side, you should see an option to upload. Click that upload option to begin adding your logo. This is the part where you can either create or upload your logo, depending on what options GoDaddy shows you in the editor. If you already have your logo file ready, choose the Upload option and locate the file on your device. It's a good idea to use a clear, high-quality image so your logo looks professional on your website. A PNG file often works especially well because it can support a transparent background, which usually looks cleaner on most site designs. Once you find the file, select it and let it upload completely. After the upload finishes, check how the logo looks on the page. Make sure it appears clearly and fits nicely with the rest of your website layout. If needed, you can pause for a moment and review the placement before finalizing anything. When everything looks good, click Publish. This step is important because it makes your logo visible on the live version of your website. If you leave the editor without publishing, your changes may not appear to visitors. And that's it. Your logo should now be added to your GoDaddy website. If this helped, you can follow the same process anytime you want to replace or update your branding later.